In the following video, let's solve the integral cosine cubed of x dx. The first thing we have to remember is the trigonometric identity sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to 1, and that allows us to write cosine squared of x equals 1 minus sine squared of x. Now let's go ahead and break this up into two parts. This is equivalent to writing cosine of x multiplied by cosine squared of x dx. And so with that, we can write this bit over here, cosine squared of x as 1 minus sine squared of x. And we have the integral of cosine of x multiplied by 1 minus sine squared of x dx. And let's make u equal to sine of x. And then du becomes cosine of x dx. So we can write this dx right here. Dx equals du over cosine of x. And so we write this as cosine of x times 1 minus u squared du over cosine of x. These cosines cancel out, and we're left with the integral 1 minus u squared du. Cool. We know how to solve this one. This is going to be equal to u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. And then changing the variables back, we said u was sine, so this becomes sine of x minus 1/3 sine cubed of x plus c. And that's our final answer. Awesome.